Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the word problems in chapter 4, Life Mathematics. Let us see the first sum. Magesh invested rupees 5,000. Okay, one person invests the amount rupees 5,000 at 12 percentage per year. Okay, per annum for 1 year. Okay, so that is given in the sum. Rupees 5,000 at 12 percentage per annum for 1 year. So this is given. If the interest is compounded half yearly, okay, sum. Another information is given. If the interest is compounded half yearly, then you have to find the amount he gets at the end of the year. You have to find out the amount he got. Okay, find the amount finally he gets at the end of the year. How much amount that you want to find out. Let us see the, by using the formula you have to find it. Okay, let us see the solution. Now let us see the solution for the sum. So first one, what is given in the sum? That is principal value, that is amount P equal to, that is principal. Okay, principal value equal to, that is given in the sum, rupees 5,000. Okay, rupees 5,000. Then rate of interest. Okay, interest already given R equal to 12 percentage per annum. Okay, so another information, if interest compounded half yearly, that is given. Okay, if interest so compounded, okay, half yearly. So half means you have to find out the half of the value. Okay, half yearly. So therefore R equal to 12 divided by 2. So if interest compounded half yearly, that is given in the sum. So you have to divide it by 2, that is 6 percentage. Okay, so time is equal to 1 year. For T, time equal to 1 year. Already you know that for 1 year the value. Okay, now by using the formula you have to find out the amount. Okay, so you have to, by using the formula you have to find out the amount. A value equal to amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power 2n. So interest compounded half n. So you put the whole power 2n. You can use this formula. Okay, by using this formula you can apply the value for principal, then rate of interest, and then year. Okay, everything you have to apply it and then find out the value. So now you can apply the value, principal amount that is given in the sum. The value is 5,000. Okay, so A equal to 5,000 into 1 plus R equal to, already we found no, half yearly means the 6 by 100. Already we finished no, then say 12 by 2, that is 6 value. So 6 by 100, the whole power 2 into 1 year, number of year, time equal to 1 year, we finished no. So 2 into, instead of n we have to put the value 1. Okay, now 5,000. Okay, so you can take the LCM of this one, 100 plus 6, 106 divided by 100, the whole power 2. So you have to apply the value. The power 2 means, so what is that? Power 2 means that is 2 times you want to write. Okay, so 5,000 into 106 by 100. Okay, into 106 by 100. Or you can do the cancel for this. So apply the cancelling and then find out after finishing this one. So you can cancel by 5, that is 2 times. So again you can cancel by 2, 5 2s are, then 3 2s are. Okay. So after that you can multiply this 2 number. Okay, you will get that. What is it? The 5,618, that is the amount. Multiply by 53 into 106. Okay, 53 into 106. After the cancelling we will get this one. So the rupees, what is the question? You have to find out the how much. Okay, Magesh get, you have to find out the value. What is the question? Find the amount he gets at the end of the year. So rupees 5,618. 5,618 rupees. So we get 5,618 rupees at the end of the year. This is the final answer at the end of the year. Is it clear? Now let us see the second sum. See the second one. At what time will the sum of rupees 3000 will amount is given. So amount to rupees 3993. That is amount is given. The principal value is given. Okay. At 10% rate also given or value is also given. Compounded annually. At what time? So time, number of year. That is the question. So you have to find out the n value, number of year. At what time will the sum of rupees 3000 will amount to this one? So what is given in the sum? Okay, amount is given. Amount A equal to what is given? Rupees 3993. That is given in the sum. Now what is given the sum? Amount A, that is A equal to rupees 3993. Principal value rupees 3000. Okay, then or rate of interest or equal to 10% per annum. Okay, so at time what? So what time that is given in the question? So n equal to. So you want to find out the number of year. So by applying the same formula only, you have to write the formula, that is A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. Instead of A, P, principal amount and R, everything is given. So you have to apply the value of this 3. So you have to find out the value of n only. Time, at what time, that is the question. Number of year only you want to find out. Okay. Now let us apply the values. Okay, so instead of A, that is amount value that is given in the sum 3993. The principal value, principal rupees 3000. So you have to apply instead of P. Then formula 1 plus or rate of interest, that is 10 by 100 n. So we want to find out the n only. So keep the n as it is. Now you can simplify this one. 3993 equal to 3000. Then multiply by, here you take the LCM, okay, 100 plus 10, 110 divided by 100 the whole power n. So you can transfer this 3000 into left hand side. So 3993 divided by 3000, okay, into 110, just cancelling this 2, equal to, okay, 3093 divided by this 3000, 11 by 10, that is the whole power n. So you have to find out the value of this one. So 11 cube, that is the value of 11 cube. First we have to, now 3993 divided by 3000 equal to 11 by 10, that is whole power n. We want to find out the value of this one. You just transfer this 2, left hand side to right hand side, right side to left side. So 11 by 10, the whole power n equal to 3993 divided by 3000. You can do the cancelling for this 2, okay, by 3, that is 1000. Okay, here do the cancelling by 3, 1, 3, 3, 1. So now after the cancelling, okay, after the cancelling this one, 11 by 10, the whole power n equal to 1331 divided by 1000. Already we know that. So this one, take the cube root of this one. Here 11 by 10, the whole power n equal to, that is cube root of this one, 11 cube. Okay, here already we know that 10 cube. Okay. So after that 11 by 10, the whole power n equal to, here also you can take the whole power, 11 by 10, that is the whole power 3. Is it clear? So you just take the cube root of this one. Already we know that. Okay, 1331 cube root of this one is 11. 11 into 11 into 11 into 11. Okay, that is you have to multiply. Then you will get 1331. That is cube root of this one. Okay, so cube root of this is, already you know that. So 11 cube divided by 1000 is a 10 cube. That is 10,000. Okay, 10 cube is a 10,000. So you can 11 cube divided by 10 cube. You just change this number. So after that you can take the whole cube. 11 cube divided by 10 cube. Both are cube value only. So put that 11 by 10, that is whole cube. Now n equal to, you see, equate this two for two sides, left hand side to right hand side. That is value 11 by 10. Base is same only. See the base 11 by 10 and 11 by 10. The power here n, instead of n, the value is here 3. So therefore n equal to, so you just equate this to left hand side to right hand side, that is n equal to 3. That is number of year. Number of year. That is a question. What is the time? That is time only asking. So number of years equal to 3 years. That is a question. Final answer. Is it clear? Number of years. That is 3 years. That is a question. What will be the time? That is a question. At what time will the sum of? So you have to find out the value of n, number of year. Is it clear?